Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, tell them for blood clot, allow me. Tell them for allow me, Crosses TV. I'm going to do me a favor. You see them call up my name on them live. When they have a post, I'm going to crap out that part then, please.
Mama Pinar. So, everybody, the 100 odd people over here, did I call Trudy or Trudy was in the live? Don't blood clock call nobody name over here. Dirty girl. Tell the people them say you bomber clock call my phone all the time. I complain about eyeball big pussy girl. Tell the people them that. Tell the people them that. Say you and eyeball always a call my phone. Tell the people them if me ever blood clock call your phone yet. And I went time him stab you up one day. Him nab you 3 times. And him tell myself I call you. And ask you, because you want to know if police there yard. Because you want to go in the house to pick up some of them documents them and some of my blood clot clothes them for cut. Ask the people them, if me ever call your blood clot phone and have a discussion with you. And you always call my phone like a delusional bitch. Ask the people them, tell the people them the truth. Tell the people them the truth. Tell the people them the truth. Tell the people them the truth, bitch. If me ever call your phone yet, or are you an eyeball a blood clot call my phone? What year? When eyeball call my phone, are you in the background? Candy, I'm gonna send my number to you on Instagram. Call me. Candy, I'm gonna send my number to you on Instagram. I'ma call you. I go. When eyeball trick you and tell us them give me 300 pounds, I'ma tell us them don't blood clot give me that 300 pounds. Tell me when I couldn't eat you for stinking April. Tell me. Eat you for. Come in what eat you for your teeth and close them. April, remember, you know, when you come talk about, oh, you could make the kids come to the house. I tell us I'm going to pick them now, blood clot come at your house, come in and do stepmother. Me not do stepmother, me not dead. I'm going to pick them not hungry. Tell the truth. Tell the truth out of your blood clot mouth. So tell the people them what I really and truly couldn't eat you for. When I step up on you, I call my phone and tell me say stab you upon him tell me say I call you. When I call you, your blood clot give me attitude. That's why I hang up my phone and I tell you so don't blood clot call my phone again I want to talk. And from that you act for me, bitch. I suppose April I don't wear fake clothes April because really and truly I wear High Street brand. So tell the people them what I couldn't eat you for. Tell the people them what I couldn't eat you for. You're delusional na blood clot. Your man ever fuck by you. Me can get a 10 girl in that chat here right now. Right now while you watch your live here. Come before you come over here. 10 girl right now can tell us say right now eyeball in them inbox. I have one like say eyeball is blood clot price possession. You're there with a man for 8 blood clot months. That him tell me. Come now count in a relationship and that him tell me. I have one like say you're there with a boy for blood clot years. So tell me when I eat you for a dirty girl when I have my blood clot man and my penny them when I live with. So tell me when I couldn't eat you when I want to bring me into a relationship. Tell me, I chew me a blood clot no how for put up the screenshot them. Come here a screenshot. Remember say I about block you from WhatsApp dirty girl. And him post the same girl, him call me and talk about oh the girl is not in baby mother Jamaica, the girl is in baby mother Jamaica. Because before you lock him up, in blood clot post the girl Woiiee. Yeah? Him post the blood clot girl Woiiee and say him love him baby mother Jamaica. No bomber clot lies told. April so my man live. April so my man live. April so my man live. Where my man live? Where my man live? You delusional na blood clot idiot girl. Every night that bandit have to come on my yard. So where my man live? I know she can't tell me what me eat her for. I be a fucker she a chat. I be a fucker she a chat. Show them your evidence, bitch. Show them your evidence. And tell them, and make sure so when you show them your evidence, tell them why me hate you. Show them your evidence. Exactly. Come on the live. Come on the live. Come on the live and show them. Come on the live and show them. Yeah, come on the live and show them. Come on the live and show them. That my wife for do. Come on the live and show. Come on the live and show them what me eat you for. Come on the live. Call him a calm. Call him a calm. I true me know how for blood clapping the screenshot them. Me I know how to do it. Call him a real calm. Cause I know the girl can't tell me what me eat her for. Over a man that don't look after his kids. And that me could have really eat you for. You're delusional. You're delusional. You're delusional. You're delusional. She delusional. I want to know what me eat her for. When this big pussy girl ever call my phone and talk about her relationship with me. Tell her for why she run? Tell her for come for my live. Tell her for join the live. Tell her for join the live. I want her join the live. Come, I want to show the people them. I want her for show the people them and for show me some hate her over a relationship with her baby father that I don't even fucking talk to. Don't look after his kids them. The one and baby mother hate them. Me and him not in a nothing. I haven't seen this youth for how many years. He don't see his kids for how many years. So I want to know when my blood clot go hate her. Thank you. She just showing bare videos of she and the man. I want to know what I hate her for. Because I can never hate her for Abu. I could never hate her for Abu. No blood clot there. She's delusional. She's delusional. Tay? Come show me how to do that something, yeah. Girl, but don't go on social media come in and know who a blood clot influencer or over because you don't have no blood clot secret for me. Not an delusional dyslexic bitch. None. April. Dirty April. Whatever you want for name Bailey. You don't have no secret for me. No blood clot secret for me. I don't feel I do this because I'm in a whole blood clot different relationship. So I'm not response where your eyeball want have. But when you're not got blood clot though, you're not going to come and stress me. You understand? And you're not going to come have no blood clot chat for me like a stinking pussy girl. Not chat you can't have for me. Dirty April. Me got one blood clot time me got talk and me got done you. Hold on there. Dirty April. Stinking crosses April. I can't argue over blood clot eyeball when my eyeball. Remember that. My left eyeball from my 8 months pregnant with my blood clot daughter. So me and you can't in a no altercation, in a no argument over blood clot eyeball. You call my phone and blood clot question me about eyeball. And I me are the only person you call. You call other blood clot baby mother phone. You're delusional bitch. Don't go on my live. Don't go on your live with my name. Don't blood clot go on my no live with my blood clot name. Because I can never be blood clot delusional over eyeball. No dear, no blood clot time. The message them you put up are when your eyeball a blood clot argument. And me have to tell eyeball say for lower out certain things to you. Me have done your blood clot career stinking girl. Because eyeball blood clot stab you up. Tell the world why you send him go to prison. Why eyeball in a prison right now. Eyeball in a prison because eyeball stab you up. Because you go tell him say your blood clot go fuck next man. And him coming at your house a blood clot Essex. And him blood clot stab you up. Talk the truth. Because every blood clot thing him do to you, him call my phone and tell me. Because me a done blood clot dada. Me a done dada. Me a go put up everything. Because remember you know, remember the messages don't blood clot like liar girl. Member messages don't lie, liar girl, dirty girl April. Stinking girl April. He's a big April blood clot fool. Shake your body April. April, we're going to the people them hotel and talk about you live in a blood clot good house. You don't have no chat for me. No day no blood clot time. Go suck your mother that me say and defend that. You can't argue with me because you get your eyeball a what blood clot left. Eyeball a what blood clot left. So me can't argue with you over eyeball, but me address you because your blood clot take it to the media. So me got blood clot address you about dirty stinking girl April. Madman April. April, you're on the blood clot road. You're known as a mad blood clot patient stinking girl. You don't have no blood clot chat for me. No day, no blood clot time. Delusional girl. Remember said the only you tell me said the only reason why you're there with blood clot eyeball is because you know for suck your pussy good. Hello? Remember that you tell me. You tell me the only reason why you're there with eyeball is because you know him know for suck your pussy good stinking blood clot girl. Remember say you me you call on my phone day in day blood clot out and have me on the phone while eyeball in a your blood clot house and listen to everything where your eyeball a blood clot talk about. My career is a stinking girl. You don't have no chat for me. Me and my other blood clot relationship have a whole baby. I still up for blood clot me. Me not understand. What? Me your worst blood clot nightmare. Why you not address none of the other baby mother them? Why you have to address me? Dirty girl. When are you ever call my blood clot phone? You or eyeball ever call my phone on a blood clot domestic violence? You are eyeball. Eyeball don't want your April because eyeball have a girl 4 hours down the road from you. I'm going blood clot show you a picture and I'm going to screenshot the message right now and show you the picture of the conversation. Him have a blood clot girl 4 blocks down the road from you at Essex. When him blood clot stab me up stinking girl, I fear house him did a stay because him video call me and show me and send me the blood clot girl picture. The girl a run your foot red, go suck your mother. You don't have no chat for me. Me I show you. Hold on. How you put up picture upon this? You delusional blood clot bitch. You's a delusional bitch. Yeah.
Okay, take keys.
Well on. Girl, but don't go on social media because I know who a blood clot influencer or who because you don't have no blood clot secret for me. Not an delusional dyslexic bitch. None. None. None April. Dirty April. Whatever you want for name Bailey. You don't have no secret for me. No blood clot secret for me. I don't fear do this because I'm in a old blood clot different relationship. So I'm not response where your eyeball want have. But when you're not got blood clot though, you're not going to come and stress me. You understand? And you're not going to come have no blood clot chat for me like a stinking pussy girl. No chat you can't have for me. Dirty April. Me I got one blood clot time I got talk and I got done you. Hold on there. Dirty April. Stinking crosses April. I can't argue over blood clot eyeball when your eyeball talk. Remember that. Remember that. Me left eyeball from 8 months pregnant with my blood clot daughter. So me and you. So when him send me a number, yeah? He send the wrong number. And then him send me that number there. See the girl, yeah? See the girl also him there stay, yeah? See her there? See her there? I tell her, don't make me do this video. See there? That's the girl house. That's the girl house what he was staying at. Him send me, say, send me the picture. And him send me the picture of the girl. The girl also him did a steer. Literally 4 to 5 doors. Him say him can steer from fear house and look over with stinking pussy April house there. I'ma tell him to send me the blood clot picture and him send me the picture of the girl. Yeah? April you have no secret for me. April, this is not what I want to become in life. I make sure I cover the other people them face. So, yeah, this look good. Look blood clot good. This is not what, see, that's you April. That's you without a wig and that's you with a wig. Me no want a mugshot for blood clot thieving. And there's eyeball. Sooner there, Bonnie and Clyde thieving together. Me no want blood clot be uno. So I could have never be jealous over blood clot uno. See there? See the date there? I make sure I cover the other two face them because me and nobody else not in a no problem. Hold on. See there? See there? See there? See there? I would have never want to be like you. I could have never want blood clot jealous over you. Never, ever, 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 April. Never, never jealous over you. Never, never jealous over you. Ever in a million years. I could have never. Read what it say. Read what it say. I'm going to post it. I get this Woiiee a couple days ago. I'm never post it because I never did I got blood clot get the information. I never did I go make your drama out, bitch. But see it there? See it there? See it there? You and blood clot Aaron. So talk to me now. When I could have jealous over you for? That's you, April. That is you. There's your name. Odina Bailey. That's you. For thieving at Blue Water, April 2023. Literally. See the date there? I'ma show you. I'ma show you. Somebody send this to me. Yeah? I'm going to post it. I tell you don't come for me because I can never eat over your relationship. I can never eat over your relationship. My blast baby father hustler, my baby father not going to blood clot shop for teeth and bag. Dirty stinking girl. And thief clothes. So the name there? Odina Bailey and her partner, Heron Mackenzie. On our partner, so when I can blood clot eat on a far. So when I couldn't eat on a far. When I couldn't eat on a four. When I couldn't eat on a four. See him there? See him there? See him there? That's him. And this is you. So when I eat on a relationship for? What am I gonna hate on a relationship for, April? For thief? For thief? For thief? I have mugshot? You're crazy. You're fucking crazy. You're crazy. See the girl there? That's the girl. Oh, see him there? Hold on. See the girl there? See the girl there? See the kid's dad. See the number. See a number there when him sent to me the 6th of December. And me and him a chat on video call because we did a chat yo. And him a tell me say I want to go to the yard and this and that and Ray. So what you say? See the girl house them. Send me the picture of the girl. See the girl there. See her there. But I need to tell a blood clot like dirty girl. So when me I go eat you for? When I go eat you for? When I go eat you for? When I go eat you for?